यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear loving children. Today I am here with again set of facilitators. You know, this word facilitator is so refreshing that it really facilitates me when I have your facial countenance before me. I really get facilitated to think new words, new ideas for you. Nothing is more precious and nothing is more important than to inspire my children of my loving country. Because the future of my country and the destiny of my country is going to be decided what kind of children we are nurturing today. If we are going to inspire better and very promising children today, tomorrow the destiny and the future of my country are in the safe hands. Just imagine the kind of efforts and the kind of hard work that you are going to put in today is going to show the beauty and the destiny of my country tomorrow. You should not forget that those countries which are called developed countries today, they must have invested a lot in their tiny tots then, who are the citizens now in their responsible positions, guiding and steering their countries marching ahead. Therefore, it is the responsibility of we elders who, through the process of sufferings, the process of turmoils and troubles, difficulties and hardships, we take the onerous responsibility of sharing something good to my children. By children, I mean smaller ones who are going to take up bigger responsibilities tomorrow in days to come. That is India of tomorrow. So, to begin with the facilitators, idioms, I am again with a fresh set of facilitators today. The first is all over hell's half acre. All over hell's half acre. What is that? When we remember the name of Pakistan, we have only one thing in our mind. Who are the terrorists and where are they staying in Pakistan? Whether it is Hafiz Saeed, Lashkar-e-Taiba, or any kind of mujahids that they name. They call it mujahids, but they are criminals. Where are they? They are everywhere, here, there and everywhere. Name it Fatah or Khyber Pakhtunkhwa or Peshawar or Rawalpindi or anywhere. Balakot, which recently was bombarded. It is all over hell's half acre. They are everywhere. These terrorists have their hideouts all over hell's half acre. Means everywhere. All over hell's half acre is the idiom. It really facilitates, it really makes your statements, your words, the sentences that you construct more fructifying, more nice to look at, and that adds flavor to a sentence when you use these kind of idioms. All over the board, everywhere, in many different locations. Suppose you are in a city and you are not in touch, just you have not been able to get some of the food courts, and being a stranger you ask someone, where can I find some food courts? खाने का सामान कहाँ मिलेगा? होटल किधर हो? Somebody replies, just walk for a distance and you find food courts all over the board, सब जगह, everywhere. So the idiom is all over the board, all over the map, everywhere in many different locations. Similar, all over the map, Now recently in my country, the name of Gilgit and Baltistan was not there, because that was shown in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. But henceforth, the heroic attempts taken by this government, the name of POKs, Mirpur, and Gilgit and Baltistan is all over the map, Indian map. You can see it anywhere and everywhere. में that मौसम विभाग की जो जानकारी मिलती है उसमें anywhere you find all over the map, all over the place, everywhere in many different locations, all over the place, wherever you go from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the unity in diversity is reflected all over the place. Indians have their peculiar eating habits, but any part of the country you go, you find different kind of cuisines, and the foods which are not typically specific of a particular locations are found everywhere. North Indian food you can find in Kerala food, or the Tamil Nadu food you find in North India. So it is all over the place. The idiom, the facilitator, is all over the place. All rights reserved means said of a publication work, all reproduction rights. Somebody publishes a book, then by the virtue of censorship rights, or it is written all rights reserved. Those who publish certain kind of book or any kind of thing which they opening a shop, so their rights are reserved to the person who really get it registered against their name. So that is called all rights reserved. All rights reserved. All roads lead to Rome. It's very famous idiom. You go from anywhere, finally you land up there. Suppose from where I am sitting in Karol Bagh and I want to go to Connaught Place. I am sitting in Gaya and I want to go to Patna. Either I can go from Aurangabad or I can go from Nevada. But it says you will reach Patna. Your destination is Patna. Said all roads lead to Rome. You go from any source, you will reach there. Or all the routes are leading to the same place. You go from any route, you reach the destination. Similarly, it is applicable in your success story also. You read from any source, your efforts and your perspiration leads you to success. Therefore, it is said in the form of idioms, all roads lead to Rome. All set, ready, prepared, finished. Now suppose you ask your friend that we are moving for a destination. After certain hours, he calls up, are you ready? He replies back, I am all set. You come, we'll go, we shall move together. So all set is you are prepared, you are finished. Your preparation is finished, you are just about to go. Some athletes are on the verge of the final whistle to be announced, to be blown. When you have seen some of the athletics preparation, on the mark, ready, go. It's the same, all set. I am all set to strike. Indian Army is all set to strike in POK and capture Gilgit-Baltistan. All talk and no trousers. All talk and no trousers. Prone to empty boasts. Yesterday also, I told you that there are many persons who claim that I have done that, but just like a colorful balloon, goody outside, inside nothing. Hollow talk, झूठी बातें, फेंकने वाली बात, सच्चाई में कुछ नहीं. इसको idioms में क्या बोलेंगे? All talks and no trousers. अब जैसे कॉमन सेंस में बोलते हैं बेटा मैं आपको ये दे दूंगा, वो दे दूंगा, केवल बोलते ही रहता है, कभी लाता नहीं खरीद के. Somebody similarly, some demagogues mostly. Who are demagogues? The politicians. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and comrades, you please elect me, I'll put you this thing, I'll bring electricity to your home state, I'll bring that, I will bring, optical fiber, I will bring internet service to your village. It is called all talks and no trousers. You talked so much, but you gave us nothing. It is said it is just like colorful balloon, goody goody outside, inside nothing. You only talk, but in reality you gave nothing. So this is called all talks and no trousers. So the idiom, the facilitators are all talks and no trousers. All told. What is that? With everything taken into consideration. Before striking for Balakot, our military forces were all told, just go strike and devastate the enemy's hideouts and come back. The message need not be spoken again and again. The message has been communicated and it was all told well before the expedition was launched or the operation was about to move. So all the officials and the commanders and the paramilitary troops, they were told. It was said, it is all told. Means everything was told in advance. All that jazz, similar things, similar qualities, etc. All that jazz. When I say that, did you see this orchestra? Well, okay, it's all that jazz. Nothing very great or nothing less. It is all similar. All more and less in the similar qualities, similar fashion. So the idioms or the facilitators which are called are all that jazz. Jazz is a type of English symphony. Symphony is what? English orchestra, jazz. Have you heard of pop? English pop music? That is the one kind of it. Jazz is another kind of it. All the marbles, the entire prize or reward. All the marbles are garnered by few students in the school. All the prizes, there are some bright students, they garner all the marbles. So the idioms are called all the marbles. How many prizes did you receive this year? I believe he was recipient of all the marbles. All the marbles. So my dear children, these are the facilitators which you should remember in form of idioms. Idioms are smoothness. They smoothen your speech. That smoothen, that softens, that helps, that facilitate you to speak better and a very fluent manner. So you should remember these facilitators. They should be very useful to you in day-to-day speaking. Your fluency can be enhanced if you take the help of these facilitators. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि